So oftentimes you may have multiple PDF files that you may want to go ahead and merge together. So in order to do that, you can go to ILovePDF.com, and over here you can see that the first option that you see is merge PDF. So around over here on the top, you see merge PDF, the same tool right here. And alternatively, you can also go to all PDF tools and you can access out merge PDF from here. Nevertheless, if I were to go ahead and click on merge PDF, I have an option to add in PDF files from my Google Drive or Dropbox and select out PDF files stored in my computer as well. So let's just click on select PDF file. So this actually opens up the Explorer window, which allows me to go ahead and select out the PDF files right here, just like this. So I can select multiple PDF files and click on open right here, and they get loaded up. If you want to go ahead and then load up more files, you can click on the plus button and choose Dropbox or Google Drive or upload from your computer right here and add in another PDF file right here, just like this as well. You can even go ahead and order out, let's say for example, the PDF files that you have by name, or click on it again right here to change out the order format as needed. You can even go ahead and click and drag right here to change out, let's say for example, the order of it. You can go ahead and rotate out PDF file if you want to as well by clicking the rotate button right here, just like this as well, for the individual PDF files that you have. Once everything is set, you simply need to click on merge PDF right here. Then you have the option to download the PDF file or save it to Google Drive or share it out right here, just like this, as you can see. By default, it gets downloaded right here. And then as you click on it, you can see that all the PDF files that you gave right here are now merged out together in the format that was specified by you. So that is basically how you can go ahead and merge out PDF files by using ILovePDF. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.